Hello everyone, today I would like to show you a free and easy method to export your ChatGPT conversations into PDF, Word document, Google Doc, and even Notion. Alright, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest method first. Here we have our ChatGPT conversations where I also attach image and they also generated image. So if I want to quickly just export just to document my conversations, I can just quickly right click and click on print. Come here to the destination, either save as PDF or Microsoft print to PDF. And then as you can see, all of them are within a single, more of them are within a single page. And then you can also adjust its margins, scale, and so on. And then you just click on print, and then you can save it in wherever you want. So this is how you turn your ChatGPT conversations into PDF real quick. That is just for PDF, but if you want to convert it into Word or Google Docs, then you have to download this ChatGPT extension. So this is only available for the Chrome Web Store. If you have other browsers, you might need to go to their extension to search for it. But in ChatGPT Exporter from the Chrome Web Store, or you can just search for it and just add it to your Chrome extension. Then once you add it, you can see it is right here, or you just click on extensions and pin it. So you can just refresh your ChatGPT and you can see these tiny icons, which are the extensions. So you can immediately click on them to export it. Let's say I want to export my page to Word. So you just click on it, very simple, and just click on save, and then you can just open it up on your Word documents, enable editing, and you can see that this is the document and you can just edit it however you want. But unfortunately you can't, as you can see, you can't have the image. This is the only downside. So yeah, that's it. This is a very simple tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe if you want more AI productivity content. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.